Érase una vez en el campo.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful little house in the country. It was surrounded by flowers and fruit trees. The house had been abandoned for a long time. Its old owners could not sell it because the house was far away from the city and nobody wanted to live there. However, over the years, a family of mice took over the house. The family consisted of uncles, grandparents, parents, cousins, siblings, and friends. One day, a group of mice from the house next door went to the little house looking for food. They were there when suddenly a noise from outside surprised them. It was a car that was parked out of the house and two creatures jumped out of it. They had 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 head. They are humans! Suddenly, it started to rain. There were lightning and thunder, so the mice prepared themselves to prevent the humans to go into the house. When the humans rang the bell, a hole previously dug by the mice opened and both people were pulled out of the place. The mice were so happy because they had got rid of the humans that they created a song. "Where are you humans? Where are you hiding? You are not welcome here, nor now, nor ever," sang the mice. The humans rang and rang the bell, and nobody opened the door. The humans insisted, while the mice watched through a tunnel they had built before. They had gotten rid of the humans. With all the storm, the lightning and thunder, the mice left the house and the humans got scared and screamed while running away from the little abandoned house. The little mice were so happy. "We got rid of the humans," they said. "Let's hope never come back to the little house in the country." On the other hand, once a boy called Jorge went to the little abandoned house and greeted our little friends. "Hello, little mice. How are you? I am Jorge," said the boy. "Can you see me?" The mice looked and they were wet, so, "Choo-choo, get out of here!" Jorge felt so sad that he left crying under a big storm. Since there was still rain and lightning, the mice made a party with lots of soda and cheese. They had lots of fun with the music and they lighted up the place with color lights. The house was filled with joy. They didn't want anyone to take their house away from them, and now they are a happy mice family forever. What is the moral of the story? This tale shows that there is strength in numbers. Now we will tell the story of Jorge, the boy who was sad when leaving the little mice's house. A mouse was crying while going home. "Hey, hey!" He was alone and scared, so he screamed out loud to the sky, saying, "Stop raining, sky!" And from one moment to another, a beautiful sun and a rainbow appeared. The little bird started to sing, and Jorge dried his clothes. Since the weather was nice, Jorge decided to come back to the little bird's house and also to the little mice one, because he wanted to be their friend. He knocked on the door and Father Mouse asked, "Who is it?" "It's Jorge. Do you remember me?" I already can go in? I'm not wet anymore, and I really want to play soccer with you, said Jorge. The mice looked at him and went to the garden to play. No, said the mice. The same humans that came before parked their car out of the abandoned house, but this time they were at peace. They brought food, they fixed the abandoned house for the mice and showed how sorry they felt, and they all lived happily ever after.